been literally using this every day and I feel this is a god-gifted product. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'm going to talk about my September favorite products. So this video includes skincare, makeup product and as well as some body care products. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first product I have been using for like 1 or 2 months, but I am loving this product. So this is the Minimalist Alpha Arbutin. So I am about to finish up this product. I have been really loving this. So I have really bad acne marks all over my face. I have them right now obviously, but it like definitely helped to reduce them because I am having like really bad scars. Definitely ये थोड़ा सा like reduce हुआ है, but if you are using this product make sure you are don't using it like ज़्यादा. I use this just 3 to 4 drops of it. Like मैंने पहले टाइम जब यूज़ कर रही थी मैंने like थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही like यूज़ कर दिया था like इंस्टाग्राम स्टाइल में ऑल ओवर फेस में ड्रॉप्स डाल के, बट तब मेरा जो स्किन है वो लाइक और भी लाइक एक्ने प्रोन हो गया था. सो या मेक श्योर कि आप थोड़ा सा ही यूज़ कर रहे हो बिकॉज दिस इज़ द लाइक एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड ऑब्वियसली इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट मेक श्योर यू आर यूजिंग अ सनस्क्रीन बिकॉज ये प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करने से लाइक आपका जो स्किन है वो फ़ोटो सेंसिटिव हो जाता है. सो या मेक श्योर यू आर यूजिंग अ सनस्क्रीन, नहीं तो जो लाइक आपके जो डार्क स्पॉट्स है वो और भी लाइक डार्क हो जाएंगे. So yeah, I have been loving this product and I definitely recommend this product. Okay, so the next product is this Plum Body Loving Body Mist and this is in the shade Vanilla Vibes. I have been literally using this every day. Like you can see that मैंने इसको like पिछले महीने ही लिया है and I have been using this like daily. ये इतना अच्छा स्मेल करता है. Like it is like a bakery. It smells like a cupcake or a like bakery shop. I am loving this. So if you're like a person who loves vanilla smell, definitely try this out. This is so good and this is so long lasting. Like it is a body mist but it is going to last you throughout the day. So yeah, it is really great. But if you don't like sweet smell then don't go for this smell because ये थोड़ा सा like sweet and warm scent होता है. So yeah, but if you love vanilla like me then you are going to love this. Next up I have been using this Face Shop face moisturizer and this is the rice ceramide face moisturizer and oh my god, I have been loving this moisturizer. I am a dry skin and lately मेरा जो skin है वो काफ़ी like बुरी तरीके से like breakout हो रहे थे and my skin was really damaged and this contains ceramide and ceramide is really good for like damaged skin. ये skin की जो barrier है उसको repair करने में help करता है and I feel this is a god gifted product. So yeah, I have been loving this and if you have like oily skin then I am not going to recommend this because it is like a thick moisturizer. But if you are like my skin type, dry, Sahara dry skin type, then you are going to really love this product. And yeah, and also if you have like dry and damaged skin then you are going to love this product. Next up I have a face mask here. So this is not a like new any mask, but this is the plum green tea face mask. Like मैंने इसको पहले कभी यूज़ नहीं किया था. I got this like last month, but I have been really loving this face mask. This is a really hyped up mask. मैंने इसके बारे में काफ़ी अच्छे रिव्यूज़ पढ़े थे, बट मैंने कभी इसको यूज़ नहीं किया है. And I thought that it was like a overhyped product, but no, this is not. Like, I have been loving this face mask since I used this. Like, I have been using this twice a week. Like, it is so good. It is a clay based face mask, but it is not drying at all because I have dry skin. I don't prefer clay mask because clay mask जो है वो मेरे स्किन को और भी ज़्यादा ड्राई कर देते हैं. So I don't like that clay mask, but I really love this green tea mask because oh my god, this is so soothing. Like, it gives my skin a soothing feeling, and the next day, and also after using this face mask, the next day I feel my skin feels really plumped and like gorgeous. So I really love this face mask. And if you have like acne problem like me, definitely recommend this face mask. Okay, so that's it for the skincare part. Now let's move on to the makeup part. So the first makeup product here I have with me is this Wet n Wild contour palette. This is not a like new product, but मैंने इसको like हाल ही में यूज़ किया है. I have been loving this product. I have definitely loved this contour palette contour shade. It is a perfect shade for like everyone, especially I guess medium skin tone के लिए, because I have medium skin tone. And definitely I really love this like powder, banana powder shade. I think this give you that blurry finish on your under eyes. So I have been loving this powder especially. So I definitely recommend this. And it is not that like expensive. I guess it is really affordable. So if you're finding any good powder as well as contour, then I definitely recommend this product. And also this is in the shade Dolce di Leche. I'm not sure about the shade name, but I have been loving this product. Okay, so next up I have a foundation with me, and this is the Lakme 9 to 5 foundation in the shade. I have been using my Maybelline Superstay foundation, which is the best foundation I think, but I have been loving this foundation lately because it gives you like a medium buildable coverage, which I really love. I love my Maybelline Superstay foundation for like shooting and all, but ये जो फाउंडेशन है ये आपको कवरेज भी देता है, एंड ऑल्सो इट गिव्स यू दैट नेचुरल फिनिश विच लुक्स रियली ग्रेट ऑन कैमरा एज वेल एज लाइक ऑफ कैमरा. सो आई हैव बीन लविंग दिस लाइक शेड. एंड ऑल्सो आई गेस मैंने पहली बार ऑनलाइन से कोई फाउंडेशन शेड लिया है एंड which suits me that good. So I am proud of myself. So I am loving this foundation. So अगर आपने इस foundation को अभी तक try नहीं किया है, definitely try this out. And also it is like under 500 rupees, which is also a great. So definitely try this out. So next up I have a mascara with me. So this is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. So I love my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. मुझे वो mascara के अलावा कोई mascara अच्छा नहीं लगता था, but जब मैंने इसको इस्तेमाल किया, I have been loving this much थोड़ा ज़्यादा. So Yeah, definitely I love this थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, because it gives you that like spidery finish on your like lashes. So yeah, I love like spidery spiky lashes. So yeah, because I have like really short and straight lashes, so it gives you like volume as well as length, which I really love. मैं अब सोच रही हूँ कि मैंने इसको अभी तक क्यों नहीं इस्तेमाल किया था. सो या डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस आउट अगर आपने नहीं किया है. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आप लाइक कंफ्यूज हो कि आपको कौन सा वाला मस्कारा लेना चाहिए, फर्स्ट मेबलिन वन या ये लॉरियल लैश पैराडाइज, देन डेफिनेटली गो चेक आउट माई वीडियो, बिकॉज मैंने इन दोनों के कंपैरिजन किया है. सो या definitely check that out after you watch this video. So yeah. Okay, so next up I have a recent favorite. So this is the Mars highlighter, and this is actually a highlighter, but I like to use it as my eyeshadow. So this is in the shade For You, and it is a beautiful pink highlighter. As you can see that it have like a green and blue reflex on it. It is really inexpensive, like it I think it retails for 149 or guess, but it is so good. It is so buildable, it is so blendable. I really love this shade as my eyeshadow. So yeah, definitely अगर आपने like इसको try नहीं किया है, definitely go for this. Okay, so next up eyeshadow की बात कर ही रहे हैं, तो I have been loving this Morphe X James Charles palette. I wanted this palette for so long, but Morphe recently India में launch हुआ है. I grabbed this one on the first day. So yeah, I am loving this eyeshadow palette since then, because it have, first of all, it have like 39 shades. So if you have this eyeshadow palette, you don't need another one, because almost इनमें सारे colors ही हैं. And also the pigmentation is really great on this palette, like the best pigmentation ever, because it's, first of all, it's Morphe. So yeah, definitely recommend this. Yeah, ये थोड़ा सा like expensive है, but if you want to invest in a good palette, then I definitely recommend this, because it have like every shade you want. Okay, so last but not the least, I have a gloss with me. So I have been loving glosses lately. So yeah, this is the Swiss Beauty Gloss Me lip gloss, and this is a transparent lip gloss, and oh my god, the gloss quality is so good. This retails I think for 150 or so, but the gloss का जो quality है वो काफ़ी अच्छा है. It is not sticky at all. It gives you that glossy finish, which looks so classy and so good. The and also the gloss is so nourishing. After you remove this, your like lips feel nourished and plumpy. So yeah, definitely अगर आप like कोई gloss try करना चाहते हो, I definitely recommend this one. First of all, it is affordable and the gloss is transparent, so आप कोई भी like lipstick के साथ इसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो to make it a new gloss. So yeah, definitely recommend this one. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, and be gorgeous.